In human beings, in males, approximately 100 to 200 million sperm cells are produced in each testicle every single day. This continuous production ensures a fresh supply of sperm even with regular ejaculation. While the entire sperm regeneration cycle, known as spermatogenesis, takes about 64 days, sperm cells are constantly being produced and matured. Here's a fun fact. In 1 milliliter of sperm, how many sperm cells are there? In 1 milliliter, there's an average of 100 million sperm cells. Absolutely amazing. That means in a teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters, a teaspoon contains 500 million sperms, which is 500 million sperms. Stay well, stay focused, stay mentally strong.